I'll show you if Pixverse.ai is safe or not. Now, upon logging in, you do get around 90 free credits for you to use. Now, for example, if I want to generate a video here, that's called test video. Let's create this. Now, once this is generating, while this is generating, let's look at reviews, right? Now, this is called Trustpilot. This is reviews by real customers. Now, you can see the reviews here are pretty bad, 2.4, and most of it is 1 star, 83%. Now, you can see most of the reviews say something like it does stupid stuff way too many times, it steals money. It says that I buy something for 1 month and they cut 2 times from my account, and after a few days, they again cut money. They say it to avoid it. Take your money and doesn't work. Avoid at all costs. 0 star. Pixverse AI is totally scam. Don't waste. So these aren't the customer reviews. I won't say if these reviews are true or not, but depending on what it says here, I really implore you to make your own judgment before you make a subscription here. But you can see the video does generate. I'm not sure why it's like this. I did say test video. I imagine it'll be more like students taking a test on class, but okay, this is what it generates when I give it a prompt, test video. Now, if you want it to be safe, I suppose you can just keep signing in with partner accounts to keep getting the free credits, so you won't need to ever to buy anything. But of course, if you want something more scalable, you'll have to buy something. But again, please remember the reviews I just show you, and upon seeing that reviews, I really implore you to make your own judgment so you can be sure what you're gonna do. Either that's gonna buy a subscription or not. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.